Alright, let's talk about one of nature's most jaw-dropping spectacles, something that has amazed humans for thousands of years, the solar eclipse. Imagine standing outside on a perfectly normal day, the sun shining bright, and then, suddenly, the world changes in a way that feels almost otherworldly. You know that moment when the sun just disappears in the middle of the day? It's as if someone flipped a cosmic light switch, plunging everything into an eerie twilight. Birds quiet down, the air cools, and for a few minutes it feels like the rules of nature have been rewritten. It's not magic, it's science, and honestly, it's cooler than any magic trick I've ever seen. Even the most skilled magician can't make the sun vanish, but the universe pulls off this trick with perfect timing and precision. Picture this: space is like a giant cosmic dance floor, where every planet, star, and moon has its own unique moves. The sun, earth, and moon are all partners in this endless waltz, spinning and twirling through the vastness of space. Earth is grooving around the sun, making a full lap every year, while the moon does its own little spin around us, completing its orbit every month. It's a dance that never stops, and every so often, the choreography lines up just right for something spectacular. Now, every so often, the moon decides to cut in, literally stepping between us and the sun. It's like the moon is photobombing the sun, blocking its light and casting a shadow over Earth. When that happens, its shadow lands right on Earth. That's a solar eclipse. Only people standing in the path of that shadow get to see the full show, making it a rare and special event. But here's where it gets wild. The moon is about 400 times smaller than the sun, but it's also about 400 times closer to us. This cosmic coincidence means that from our point of view, the sun and moon appear almost exactly the same size in the sky. So, from where I'm standing, they look almost exactly the same size in the sky. It's like holding up a coin and perfectly covering a streetlight in the distance, an amazing trick of perspective that lets the moon hide the sun completely. When their lineup is just right, the moon covers the sun perfectly, and, boom, day turns to night for a few magical minutes. That's a total solar eclipse, and it's one of the rarest and most breathtaking sights you can witness on Earth. But there's more. Not every eclipse is total. Sometimes the alignment isn't perfect, and the moon only covers part of the sun, creating a different kind of spectacle. Sometimes the moon only covers part of the sun, leaving a dazzling crescent. That's called a partial eclipse. It's still amazing to see, and you'll notice the sunlight gets dimmer and the shadows look strange and sharp. And if the moon is a little farther away in its orbit, it looks smaller, letting a ring of sunlight blaze around it. That's an annular eclipse, a ring of fire that glows in the sky, making it look like the sun is wearing a fiery halo. Throughout history, people have been fascinated and sometimes frightened by eclipses. Ancient cultures made up stories and legends to explain this mysterious event, thinking it was a sign from the gods or a dragon eating the sun. The process? Well, it's all about alignment. The sun, moon, and earth have to line up in just the right way for an eclipse to happen. It's like a cosmic game of hide and seek, and the timing has to be perfect. First, the moon starts to slide in front of the sun. This is the partial phase. You'll see the sun slowly being nibbled away, bit by bit, as the moon moves across its face. The sunlight gets dimmer, shadows sharpen, and even animals get confused. Birds might go quiet, and crickets might start chirping as if it's nighttime. Next, if you're lucky enough to be in the right spot, the moon completely covers the sun. The world around you transforms, and you're standing in the shadow of the moon, watching a cosmic event unfold. The sky darkens, the temperature drops, and you see the sun's corona, a glowing halo you can't see any other time. It's a moment that feels both mysterious and magical, as if you've stepped into another world. And just like that, after a few minutes, the sun peeks back out, and everything returns to normal. The world brightens, animals go back to their routines, and you're left with a memory you'll never forget. Here's a tip. Never, and I mean never, look directly at a solar eclipse without proper eye protection. Special eclipse glasses or solar viewers are a must. Your eyes will thank you later, and you'll get to enjoy the show safely. So next time someone tells you space is boring, just remember, the universe literally throws us shadow puppet shows. Stay curious, keep looking up, and who knows? Maybe you'll catch the next cosmic game of hide and seek in the sky.